Hello. Greetings to Melang Tawelaria Locha. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Sepedi Lessons. Today we are going to learn days of the week. Majaji Aveki. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Monday, it's called Moshupologo. Tuesday is called Labobedi. Wednesday, it's called Laboraro. Thursday is called Labone. Friday, it's called Labohlano. Saturday is called Mokibelo. Sunday, Lamorena or Sontaga oba Sontaga. If you want to say today, you say Lihono or Mamohla. Tomorrow is called Gosasa or Kamuswani. Yesterday is called Mabani. Day before yesterday is called Maloba. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comment down below, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.